These are the horses that make the life-saving antivenom called Anascorp. They live on this tranquil family ranch in central Mexico that they share with milk cows, roosters, and sheep. Once a month, the horses come in from the field to do their duty. That's Dr. Andres Alagon explaining how the horses will be injected with scorpion venom. They start small, injecting the equivalent of half a sting. But in 6 months, these horses will be injected with an amount of venom equivalent to 100 stings. The horse will respond by making antibodies against the venom. And those antibodies are found in the horse's blood. So, once a month, the horses get a good scrub down. Then they are taken into a holding pen, and the ranch hands prepare to draw the horse's blood. They disinfect the horse's neck, then they insert a needle into the horse's neck vein. The blood travels down through this tube. It goes through this wall and into a sterile laboratory where it's collected. This bag holds just over a gallon of horse blood. The blood will eventually get sent to a lab where it will be processed into this antivenom.